Let's see. Stream before played a game that was to overthrow the king, I think. Okay. Sweet. Sweet. So we need to add some hairs, some stray hairs to the eyebrows. So whenever you're drawing eyes, there should always be a glint of light, a speck of light. That means your eyes have tears in them, which means that you are living. If you don't have tears in your eyes, then you're dead. Just to let you know. If you're drawing a live person, make sure they have light in their eyes. Let's see. I won the game with gunpowder. Yes, that should do it. Dragonheart. Uh-oh, there's an ad about to start in 5 minutes. Alright, in 5 minutes. Here's what else we can do. Let's find out what is so special about today. Mike! Guess what's going on? Guess what today is? Today is January 20th, 2024. It's also known as National Cheese Lovers Day. Not only is it National Cheese Lovers Day, it's also National DJ Day. Not only is it National DJ Day, it is also National Penguin Day. It's also Camcorder Day. Who has a camcorder? Camcorders have seen their day. Their day is gone past. Not only is it Camcorder Day, it is also Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti Day. I have no comment about that. I can't even pronounce the man's name. It's also Inauguration Day, not this year, but usually. Every 4 years, that is. It is also International Day of Acceptance. Experience the tranquility as you journey through the divine paths of acceptance. It is also National Charlie Day. If you know a Charlie, tell him have a good day. It's also National Claudia Day. Same thing. Tell your friend Claudia to have a good day. National Coffee Break Day. Do we really need a coffee break day? I think we have coffee every day. Is also National Judy Day, National Sebastian Day. These people need to have their own day, and National Use Your Gift Card Day. And there's more. That's all I'm going to say about today. Artsy, hey brother. Let's see with Pastor G. Hey, that's my new friend. Let's see with Pastor G. I was lurking, testing out my stream, but hey man, it's good to see you. Good to see you as well. Pastor G, by the way, if you don't know, is starting his own online church. So feel free to give Pastor G a visit. I'm going to give him a shout out. Feel free to go find Let's See with Pastor G. Eating pizza currently. Shaggington. Got my coffee going. That's right. Thank you for celebrating. Let's see with Pastor G. It's not National Five Luces Day. I wonder why. You have to know people who are in power. You have to know some congressmen, I guess. So check out our follow with Awesome Screamer. Yep, I typed that. Thanks for the shout out. No problem, Pastor G. You, sir, are being silly as always. Thank you, Five Lucis. We'll be rating my channel in a bit. Okay. Great. Awesome. Yeah, I did see you on the schedule. All right. I think we've caught up with chat. We'll be rating my channel in a bit. And Five Lucis. Let's see what Pastor G says. Hey to 5 loses. Okay, alright. Wow. Let's go back to Joseph. You remember Joseph? I was inking Joseph. I was in the middle of inking Joseph. I don't like that rhyme. Let's do it again. So, my favorite scripture of all time that usually doesn't change. I mean, I have different scriptures at different times, different things that mean to me. But ever since I learned about typology, my favorite scripture has been Luke 24. Luke 24. Nope, not after Romans. It is right here. Luke 24. So we just saw a video. We just saw a. Oh, I can't make it smaller so you can see. That's why I have a different room for this. That's why. Here we go. Now you can see. So we just saw the video that I made for this verse. Now, on the same day, 2 of them were walking to the village called Emmaus, about 7 miles from Jerusalem. They were talking with each other about everything that had happened. As they talked and discussed these things with each other, Jesus himself came up and walked along with them. But they were kept from recognizing him. He asked them, "What are you discussing together as you walk along?" They stood still, their faces downcast. One of them, named Cleopas, apparently we're experiencing an ad. This is where we sit together and twiddle. For those of you who are, for the 2 of you who are subscribed, you get to see me twiddle. But for the rest of you, I'll just wait. Joseph is my favorite story. Awesome. Yes. And the reason I'm doing Joseph is because of all the typology. As soon as I learned about typology, it was in 2015 that I learned, or 14, that I learned about typology. And Twitter away, bro. Got a jack in the box, and now I want curly fries. So when I learned about what typology is and how Jesus was foreshadowed with not just a few stories from the Old Testament, but just about every story from the Old Testament has some bit of typology in it, I went bonkers. My jaw hit the floor for about 2 years. I had to speed read the Old Testament, and I mean, speed read means speed listen to the audio version of the Old Testament, and so it was on for typology for me. So I think everybody's back. All right, 5 Loses is back. So what things, Jesus says, the things of Nazareth, about Jesus of Nazareth, they applied. He was a prophet, powerful in word and deed before God and all the people. So let's skip down to verse number 27. And beginning with Moses and all the prophets, he explained to them what was said in all the scriptures concerning himself. Can you imagine being on the road to Emmaus for that discussion, for that explanation of how in all the scriptures concern Jesus? So that's my goal with this book, is linking the Old Testament to the New Testament about how it could possibly have talked about Jesus. So there you go.